Alright guys, for everybody who likes the Benchmade Bugout, or if you're not a real fan of Benchmade, then this is going to be the knife for you. This is the Kershaw Bel Air. It's brand new, so it still has some oil on the blade. This is in carbon fiber with magnet cut steel, made in the USA. Deep carry pocket clip. I gotta say, they have an aluminum handle one for $140 or $150. This is about the price of the same Bugout with the cheap glass-filled nylon handles. And this is a way better bang for your buck going with the Kershaw Bel Air. Pretty much same size, very similar weight, and the action is better. You're on ball bearings here. It is super smooth, flicks out great, razor sharp out of the box. Let me wipe that blade off. So the Benchmade Bugout, made in the USA, S30V, very popular. This is on the bronze phosphorus washers, and it's got decent action for what it is, but it does feel cheap in the hand with these scales. The Bugout is a great knife, but to make it feel better, you got to buy at least micarta G10 scales, carbon fiber or aluminum, titanium scales, and then by the time you add that all in, you're at $250, $300 for a pocket knife with S30V. So it's not really worth doing all that. You could buy this for $140 with aluminum handles, have magnet cut steel made in America, or go this carbon fiber route for about $180. Much better knife in my opinion. Super slicey blade, razor sharp out of the box. Their access lock, whatever they're calling it, feels great. No stick. Super smooth. And I like the design of this blade. I mean, this absolutely annihilates the Bugout now. There's the mini next to it, just for example, so you can see the sizes. Show a couple other popular knives so you can see. There's the Vostede Raccoon. And let's see what else we got here. And the Kaiser Militol, which is a full-size knife. So I would say Kershaw has hit a home run with this one. I mean, it's going to be my everyday carry from now on. See the size next to a full-size Militol. And there it is next to the Griptilian. So I'd 100% recommend it. The clip feels great, does not bother you at all where it sits at in the hand. I wear XL gloves. About a 3-inch blade. I believe this is like 2.5 ounces. And that carbon fiber does look sick. I'll let you get a close up on that. So it's smooth, but it actually does give you a little bit of, does have a little bit of grip in the hand. And that is the Kershaw Bel Air. There's that model number, 6105CF. And this is about as good as it gets for sub $200. This is the Bugout Killer now, the real one, made in America. Razor edge.